Yes. Hello, my name is Anastasia.
My name is Yaroslava and her name is Richela.
We are from Ukraine.
And today we are glad to present you a little video for Isaac Community Development Program.
We would like to sing you a song. As I went down in the river to pray, studying about that good old way, and who shall wear the starry crown, good Lord, show me the way. Oh, sisters, let's go down, come on down. Oh, sisters, let's go down in the river to pray. As I went down in the river to pray, studying about that good old way, and who shall wear the robe and crown, good Lord, show me the way. Oh, brothers, let's go down, come on down. Come on, brothers, let's go down in the river to pray. Просто